Hey everyone, this is Zach. I'm doing my lab project for today. Trying to get up and running here. It does not want to do this. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to be doing the area circle. So we're going to be doing so come here and do public static void main string args. Okay, close that out. Let's open it up. Okay, so first thing we'll do is double, since we're going to have fractions. Double perimeter equals java.lang. We don't have to import this one since it's already part of the Java language. Java math times pi times 2 dot pi times 2 times 3.2. Close that. Double area. Same thing in terms of math component. Dot pi and times radius squared is 3.2 times 3.2. Yeah, close that out. Okay. So then we'll go from here. Now our statements. Circle perimeter in inches is circle perimeter in inches. Colon. Do system out ln perimeter. Close and then we'll do system out. Circle area inches. Okay. System.out.println area. Okay. Let's close it out with the last bracket. Let's see if this works. So we'll close out our editor. Switch it up here. Okay. From the circle. Let's compile it. It's compiled. Let's call in the mains. Upload the terminal window. And there we go, showing our perimeter and area in inches. So that's for the circle portion of our lab. So let's move on to for our concat function. So come here, call it the class box and dog. So we'll open our editor. It's brand new. So let's go ahead and clear this out. To public static main. Okay. We don't need to import anything, so let's go ahead We'll start with string for assigning variables to actual character letters. 2 equals make sure we go right from our instructions. Yes, okay. A quick brown box, and then do a next string. Basically doing a long list of strings here to throw them all together. Jump this over. And you know what I'm forgetting right now, everybody? I'm forgetting close these out. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. String. Last one. Just a noun. Okay. The lazy dog. Okay. So there's a little bit of space here. So we're going to come A1. We're going to declare a new A1. So we're going to go A1 dot concat. We're going to do space here. That way we can space out the actual variables. It spells out the whole phrase here. And then we'll go dot concat A2, and then dot concat. Probably another space. Yeah, another space here. Dot concat verb. Dot concat one space. Noun. Okay, so we strung out all these together. So now we're going to come here. We're going to do our character length. So let's go character length equals A1 dot length. Okay. Let's come here. Let's go system out dot print character. Nope. Let me close this one up too. Okay. Almost. And then system ln character. All right. Let me see here. Let me come back up. Fix this. There we go. Let's close on more. Yeah, I think that should work. Okay. Okay, since you guys didn't get to see my work, I'm gonna have to come back in here and do it again. Okay, so here, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna delete all this. I can just do all over again. It's not a big deal. So do string A1 for declaring lettering B. String A2 quick brown fox. Verb. Okay, noun. dog. Okay. I want to string all that together, so we're going to declare a new A1. That'll be A1 dot concat. We get a space here. We need spaces in between our variables. Concat A2 concat space. Space. Then this one and now. Okay. We'll close that out. And then we want to do also character length. So what we're going to do is, before we get to character length, let's do this. Let's go ahead and declare call out A1. That should print out our statement, but now we want to do our character length, so we're going to do int character length equals A1 dot length. We're going to have a whole number here, so okay, close that. System. No. Let's do. Okay, we got that. And then last one, we can finish this guy up. That's about right. So let's go ahead and close him out. And we'll switch over to our home page here. So it's done. So we need to compile. It is compiled. Let us call our main method. And it has printed out the statement. A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. That is printed correctly. And then it does our character length is 43. That includes our letters and also spaces in between. It's accounted for as well as 43. So that one is done. Okay, and now for our last one. Let's go back to home page here. Let's go to Open Editor. I'm going to start with a fresh page. Okay, let's clear this out. So for this one, we actually are going to have to import, which is not a problem. So we'll come here, click import java.awt rectangle. That's what we're trying to accomplish. So we're going to go rectangle box equals new rectangle. First two numbers are always the XY coordinates. Make sure. So for this one, we're just going to use simply 15, 15 and 30 XY, and then length width, each 10, 20. Close that. Okay, our box, that is our constructor method, has now been done. So we're going to double area. Okay, so we'll do width equals box.get width. Close that. Area equals box dot get height. Okay. Output. So they are computed output. Plus. Oh boy, I need to come back. I just noticed something. This has got to be. Yeah. And then area equals. Okay, now we should be okay. Okay, so that looks good. So let's come here. System. LN. Yeah, so our expected area output is 200 because it's just 10 times 20. We'll have this quote here, and then above we should have output is this area, which will be the computed one. They should line up. So let's make sure that everything looks okay. Let's come here. Okay, it's officially closed out. Let's transfer over. Okay, let's come to our rectangle class here. Shall compile. Oh, I have something's wrong. Let's see. Let's come back to our main page. Give me 1 second, guys. I believe this is right. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Okay, so instead, let's just do this. Let's start all over. We're gonna remove here. I have a feeling my calling it rectangle is somehow interfering with my process. So let's call it a new class. Let's call it area tester. Do that instead. Okay, let's open our editor. Okay, get this out. Okay, let's import rectangle. Okay, that should be okay. Okay, so come here. So we need to do rectangle box equals new rectangle. So XY coordinates, I'll do the same ones. Do 15 and 30. It should not matter for these at least. And then we're going to do 10, 20 for the length width. Okay. So we're going to have double area width. Close. And then box dot it width. Okay, and then height equals box get height. Okay, and then area equals box get width. Close. And then system out print ln. Output, this will be our commutated output, like I said earlier. We're going to add output or just area. Okay. And then bottom line will have what we expect it to be. Expected area output is 200. Okay, let's close up this bracket. Let's try this one more time. Okay, so this time it looks like it did. I think that was my problem. I was calling my public class rectangle and it was kind of interfering with the process. So let's call our, yeah, that worked. Okay, so let me show you the editor. And as you can see, we have an output, commutated output of 200, expected output, area output is 200. All right, that's my project 4. I will submit this along with a card date. Date is September 28th, 2017. Thank you for your time.